Hi friends, let me show you these new business card pockets that I received. They are 30 and they are self-adhesive, so you can stick it to whatever you need to identify. These are about 3.8 inches by 2.3, 2.4. So you are able to fit any standard business card or, well, whatever kind of card that you print and want to use to identify anything, something like this, okay? So you just peel it from the back and put it where you need it, okay? So you will have a clear view of the card that you have there, and you will be able to change them for another kind whenever you need it. So this is great to organize and to have signs, whatever you need to have, business card signs with information, with prices, with whatever information you need to have in your office, in a warehouse, at home also, of course. Wherever you want to put information on a business card size sign, these pockets, self-adhesive pockets, are great. I really recommend them. Thank you.